So now let's come into our best part. So company name is Inflame. Inflame is an advanced e-commerce company. So on our website www.inflamemarketing.com, later it's going to be changed like www.inflameecom.in. Okay, so this my personal YouTube channel Inflame Fury. There will be videos in Telugu and English. Okay, you can check. And this is my personal WhatsApp and Telegram number 9182356607. So about us, you can check out our website, or you can check out my YouTube. Okay, there you will be getting everything, and you can check our PDF. You can ask your friend. Our mission is to create self-dependent entrepreneurs these are income earning people. Okay, our vision is inspiring and helping our India economically by creating self-reliant entrepreneurs where these people are independent. They can and will earn good incomes and lead their life family happily. Okay, we have all legalities. And coming to our products range men's clothing, women's clothing, men's and women's footwear, fashion accessories for both men and women, fast moving consumer goods, personal care products in the sense like face wash and everything, household products like dishwashers, and wellness products like health, buffet pouches. We are famous for this. Okay, you can use this buffet pouches for all over India. And grocery, like we know dal and everything. Okay, so now what if a person become our member, become a partner? Benefits of becoming partner with us: basically for everyone we provide basic complimentary offers, like they can save on every purchase, savings on every purchase, referral commission for lifetime, lucky draws, and we do lucky draws, and we'll be providing discount vouchers regularly. And additionally, the people who want to earn part-time, income seekers, we provided 9 types of incomes who want to earn more money. They are direct referral incomes, team referral incomes, team repurchase bonus, leadership bonus, travel fund, royalty, rewards, tools and contests, cash rewards, savings on every purchase. Okay, so 9 types I told, but 10th one is, because this is also kind of income you can save on every purchase with us. So points to be noted here: you will be listening two things. Okay, one is PV and other one is BV. PV means points volume, BV means business volume. On every product purchase we will be getting points. Okay, incomes are given based on these points. Check our website, you will be seeing under every product MRP, DP and points. We will be giving this discount price, DP price, distributor price, you can say in other name. So we will be giving only on DP prices, where you will be getting discount on MRP like minimum 30 to 50% off. And on every product we will be giving points to every product. If anyone purchases product in DP, they will be getting points. So now coming to direct referral bonus, first income. You will be getting a digital franchise ID in our website www.inflameecom.in or inflamemarketing.com, where let's say you referred many people like Kumar, Sai, Santosh, Kiran, Tarun and Harsha, where here if Harsha purchases any product, what we are giving points. Okay, in that points you will be getting 10% on Harsha, like that for Kumar and Santosh. Okay, let's say Kumar purchased products worth 1000, you got 500 points. In the 500 points, if you take 10%, you will be getting 50 rupees. Like that, you will be getting 10% on unlimited direct referrals for lifetime. Okay, unlimited direct referrals and unlimited 10% bonus income lifetime anytime. Even if Kumar purchases second time or unlimited times, you will be getting 10% every time. Okay, so here unlimited 10% income on every referral friend on points based. Okay, so this you have to remember. And team referral bonus, second one, team referral bonus. Let's say you referred Sai, Ajay, Kumar, Satish, Kishore, Tarun. What it is, What they did is they referred 2 people here. Ajay referred 4. So you referred Ajay, Sai, Kumar, Satish, Kishore, Sai. Let us assume. And Sai referred 2 people, Ajay referred 4 people, Kumar referred 4 people, Satish referred 3 people, Tarun 4, Kishore 1. Okay. Now here, what company will do is, so it separates every 2 people. Okay. So the separated 2 people will get matched, and the company will be giving 20% matching incomes on their respected points. Okay. So here the scope, daily scope is PV incomes 5,000 rupees a day, so that you can earn in a week 35,000 and monthly 1.5 lakh. Okay. So here team referral bonus needs requires minimum 2 people. I mean, in order to get team referral bonus 20%, see, in first one you will be getting 10%, that is direct referral bonus, but here matching incomes, company will be giving 20% incomes. Okay. So that means it is double income. Okay. So here team referral bonus needs minimum 2 direct referral people business performance. So here you need to minimum refer 2 people, and company wants these 2 people's business performance. Okay. Here in order to match and give 20% incomes. So here PV incomes 5,000 daily limit, and BV incomes 10,000 daily limit. If 10,000 BV income means monthly it is 3 lakhs. Okay. So now third income, team repurchase bonus, same as team referral bonus, also gets incomes on every second and third unlimited times repurchasing again. So here if Sai's teammates, like Sai's referred people A, B, or Ajay's people A, B, C, D, Kumar A, B, C, D, Satish A, B, C, Tarun's A, B, C, D, Kishore A. If these people again repurchase, if they like the product and they want to do purchase another product, again you will be getting points, right? Here same, and here same. You'll be getting points again, and the points will be get matched again, and again you will be getting that 20% incomes. So same as first one and second one. Okay. So here you will be getting same like PV incomes and BV incomes, you will be knowing later. And here leadership bonus. What is leadership bonus? Okay. So now you referred, let's say you referred Kiran, Ajay and Sai. Let us think they are earning BV incomes. Okay. BV incomes you will be knowing later. So on that, let's say Kiran earned 1,000 rupees as BV income, Ajay earned 10,000 as BV income, Sai earned as 20,000 as BV income. Here Kiran earned 1,000, right? In the 1,000, the company will be giving additional 10% to you directly. See, in 1,000 rupees, what is it? 10%? It is 100 rupees, right? So that 100 rupees will be given to you. It is not like Kiran's Kiran amount will be 100 amount will be debited in Kiran's income. It is like a part of Kiran's 1,000 rupees you will be getting 100 rupees. Here Ajay earned 10,000. That means 10,000 means you will be getting, Ajay will be getting 10,000 and you will be getting 1,000. Here Sai earned 20,000. He will be getting 20,000 and you will be getting 2,000 rupees on your direct referral incomes. On their direct referral incomes, not points. Okay, their incomes. Okay, here it is based on points, and here leadership bonus, because as they became leaders because of your referral, you will be considered as leaders and you will be giving a bonus. Okay. And here fifth one, travel fund. Travel fund means if you earn BV incomes, you will be getting 10% as funds additionally. And sixth one, royalty will be given for the top 7 ranks from company turnover. Okay. Eighth one, rewards are there are many rewards running, you'll be knowing. You can check our PDF. And tools and contest. Right now there is one contest running, like Mandala contest. It is an awesome contest. That means if you earn minimum income, you'll be taken to a one-day trip. Okay, complete one-day trip. Their company will be taking completely entire one day, no minimum 1 rupee need to take outside. Company will be taking completely. Okay, cash rewards will be conducting this. So excited. Now I'm going to create one more video where you will 100% damn sure, 100%, 200%, I'm saying you will get excited. This is the main part and you will be really very excited you'll be blessed, or you'll feel very you'll feel like, yeah, my day came. Now this is the time to, I mean, unleash. You'll feel like that. Definitely I'm going to give you a guarantee like that. So wait for that video. Okay, that is the plan. Thank you.